Hey everybody, this is going to be a short one, but apparently now there's a tampon shortage, and just thought I'd give a pro tip life hack here and let everybody know that there are reusable pads available on Etsy. So you buy these once and then use them for years and years and years and decades. Actually, I don't know how long they last because I haven't had to replace one yet. And yeah. Why buy plastic and GMO cotton grown thousands of miles away and packaged up and sold by some multi-billion-dollar corporation and screw up the planet when you can go and support a small business, an individual creator on a site like Etsy and get your solution here? Come in a number of patterns and sizes and materials. These are hemp right here. And yeah, you're keeping materials out of landfills, and it's just generally more sanitary to use reusables. You use them for a few hours and wash them off and grab another. And put the one you just used on a clothesline, and I guess there's a little more maintenance to it than taking something out of a plastic package and using it and then tossing it away into a landfill for the next generation to have to deal with and having their food and drinking water. Yeah. Reusable pads, and yeah, I'm going to step off my high horse soapbox here and admit that I didn't even know these existed until less than a decade ago, and I really regret not knowing because I would have been using these since high school and keeping a lot of waste off of the planet and doing so, but I guess better late than never. Also, tampons, pretty gross. Can cause toxic shock and a number of other problems. And hello there. Have you come over to see what I'm doing? You have. Hello. Yes. Anyways, reusable pads. Check for them on Etsy. All sorts of patterns, colors, and materials, and no more big corporations and landfill shit and new materials being used over and over again and wasted. Heavy Metal Homesteading, signing off.